middle of the way through an install with a Hanchu 3.68 hybrid inverter. This one isn't going to have a battery, but the customer want the option for a battery later, so we've left space underneath. There'll be DC cables going up to the panels on the roof. This one has an option for battery. The customer's not having that at this time. It's got an option for EPS or backup power supply. It's a 3.68 kilowatt inverter, but it can actually have up to about 6.2 kilowatts of solar panels. So especially in winter, you can over panel, still try and get as much generation as possible. This can be fitted onto G98. We've got a range of options of panel sizes and systems available, different battery sizes. You can have up to, I think it's 16 of the 5 kilowatt hour batteries or 8 of the 9.4 kilowatt hour batteries. And the 3.68, the 5 and the 6 kilowatt hybrids all discharge from the batteries at 5 kilowatts from the grid. So as well as installing Hanchu, we're also accredited with Tesla and Fox. Any combination of batteries or inverters, any questions you've got, any combination with any amount of solar, roof mounted or otherwise, please get in contact.